We were a small business, started in a small factory with a limited number of staff. We've now grown to 70 plus staff with 3 factories, and MYOB has met our growth the whole way.
Aquaterro has been around for over 30 years.
We're a complete product solution provider for Australian law enforcement and defence personnel.
We do full lifecycle management of products that runs from design through to develop, through to manufacturing, maintaining, supplying, supporting, and ultimately we protect those who protect us, and we're really passionate about it.
Aquaterro is a very different business. We're not your standard have a product and that's the end line. We need to be able to track them at all times. So we needed something that can run our serial numbers. We also need to be able to run different subsidiaries of our business. And then we need to be able to run the payroll features, the sales. We need to be able to run everything all in that one system.
Aquaterro, in a very typical space we see with customers moving off fragmented SME accounting platforms and add-on services. They were struggling with disconnected information, wasting a lot of time duplicating data across platforms, so they really want to try and unlock the value within that core platform.
Changing ERP systems is horrific at the best of times, and that's where BusinessHub really stepped up and came in for us.
MYOB allowed us to really dive into the information at that granular level for each area, but then also roll it all up together so that we could see the information at a top-down level as well. And so by doing that, we're able to make much more timely decisions and be more accurate in the way we price a lot of our goods and ultimately be more successful across the market.
The team loves MYOB Acumatica because it's one source of truth. So we can operate in different states, we can operate in different buildings. We're all looking at the same data at the same time. We also use Velixo, the third-party app that feeds with MYOB Acumatica. This helps us to further customise reports. So a report that used to take a full day to run now takes 15 minutes to run. And I know those figures are more accurate than what we were doing manually.
Our partnership with MYOB Acumatica and in turn BusinessHub have been really integral to us pursuing our path of growth. It allows us to grow into this new space and this new business activity of refurbishing helmets. And without them, we would never have really been able to get to where we are now.